Pink Queen 2-piece crochet swimsuit cover-ups for women intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to review a fantastic summer essential, the Pink Queen 2-piece crochet swimsuit cover-ups for women. This stylish and comfy beach set is perfect for your next vacation or pool day. Let's dive into the details. Unboxing and first impressions. Show the packaging. The packaging is simple yet secure. Upon opening, the first thing you notice is the soft, lightweight fabric, material and feel. Crafted from premium knitted fabric, this cover-up set is incredibly soft, stretchable, and lightweight, ideal for those hot summer days. Design and features cropped top. The oversized cropped top boasts a sexy plunging V-neckline, short sleeves, and a half button-down front. Its drop shoulder design and crochet knit pattern exude a chic, boho vibe. Bodycon skirt. The matching bodycon skirt flaunts an elastic waistband with a drawstring for a customized fit. Its high-waisted silhouette and hollow-out design add to the overall stylish look. Breathability. Featuring a breathable crochet design, this set keeps you cool by the pool or beach. The short skirt highlights your legs, perfect for pairing with your favorite bikini, sunnies, and sun hat. Versatility and occasions where to wear. This set is a versatile choice for various occasions: beach parties, pool days, vacations, and more. Whether lounging by the pool or heading to a water park, you'll look fabulous. Fashion tip. Easily dress this up or down by pairing it with a stylish bikini set for a chic summer ensemble. Conclusion. Overall, the Pink Queen 2-piece crochet swimsuit cover-ups for women are a must-have blend of comfort and style this summer. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. Kaufman 100% Cotton Velour Towels, 4-pack intro. Today, we're reviewing the Kaufman 100% Cotton Velour Towels. These large, soft, and absorbent towels come in a pack of 4 and are perfect for your beach or poolside adventures. Unboxing and first impressions. Show the towels. Straight out of the box, these towels impress with their vibrant, striped patterns. Each towel measures 30 x 60, providing ample space for comfort and relaxation. Material quality. Crafted from 100% combed ring-spun cotton, these towels offer a luxurious feel to the touch. The high-quality fabric ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Key features: absorbency and quick dry. Designed for high absorbency and quick drying, these towels are perfect for repeated use throughout the day. Design and patterns. The bold, assorted color combinations add a pop of color to your beach bag. Not only stylish, but these vibrant patterns are also easy to spot from a distance. Practical use and durability. Comfort and versatility. Large enough to wrap yourself completely, these towels offer ultimate comfort after a swim. Versatile for use at the beach, pool, or even as a bath towel at home. Value for money. With 4 high-quality towels in a pack, you're getting great value for your money. Kaufman delivers innovative designs and outstanding service. Conclusion. In summary, the Kaufman 100% Cotton Velour Towels are an excellent addition to your beach or pool